Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos.
Today our topic is biggest thermal power plants in India. Part 1. Top 10 biggest thermal power plants in India. Thermal power station. A thermal power station is a power station in which heat energy is converted to electric power. In most, a steam-driven turbine converts heat to mechanical power as an intermediate to electrical power. Water is heated, turns into steam and drives a steam turbine which drives an electrical generator. The greatest variation in the design of thermal power station is due to the different heat sources. Fossil fuel, nuclear energy, solar energy, biofuel and waste incineration are all used. Top 10 biggest thermal power plants in India. More than 65% of India's electricity generation capacity comes from thermal power plants, with 85% of the country's thermal power generation being coal-based. The 10 biggest thermal power stations operating in India are coal-fired, with 5 of them owned and operated by state-run National Thermal Power Corporation. 1. Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station. The Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station in the Singrauli district of Madhya Pradesh, with an installed capacity of 4,760 megawatts, is currently the biggest thermal power plant in India. It is a coal-based power plant owned and operated by NTPC. Construction of the plant, which comprised 12 generating units, 6 210 megawatt units and 6 500 megawatt units, had begun in 1982. The first unit was commissioned in 1987, while the sixth 500 megawatts was commissioned in April 2013. An additional 500 megawatts unit was commissioned in August 2015, increasing the plant's gross capacity from 4,260 megawatts to 4,760 megawatts. The plant uses coal from the NCL operated Nigahi mine and water from the discharge canal of Singrauli Super Thermal Power Station. The turbine manufacturers for the Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station include Russian companies LMZ, Electrosila and the Indian BHEL. The 500 megawatts units were supplied by BHEL. Second, Mundra Thermal Power Station. The 4,620 megawatts Mundra Thermal Power Station, located in the Kutch district of Gujarat, is currently the second biggest operating thermal power plant in India. It is a coal-fired power plant owned and operated by Adani Power. The power plant consists of 9 generating units, 4 330 megawatt units and 5 660 megawatt units. The first 350 megawatt unit was commissioned in May 2009 and the last 660 megawatt unit of the plant commissioned in March 2012. The coal used for the power plant is mainly imported from the Indonesia. The plant's water source is the seawater from the Gulf of Kutch. The boilers and generators for the first 4 units were supplied by Babcock Wilcox and Beijing Bijahong respectively. SEPCO3. China was the EPC contractor for the last 5 660 megawatts units, which featured supercritical technologies. The boilers were supplied by Harbin Boiler and the turbine and generators were supplied by Dongfang Machinery. Third one, Mundra Ultra Mega Power Plant. The plant 4000 megawatts Mundra Ultra Mega Power Plant, also located in the Kutch district of Gujarat, ranks as the third largest thermal power plant in India. It is a coal-fired power plant owned and operated by Coastal Gujarat Power Limited, a subsidiary of Tata Power. The thermal power plant consists of 5 800 megawatt generating units. Construction of the plant began in March 2009. The first unit of the Mundra was commissioned in March 2012 and the last unit was commissioned in March 2009. The plant uses 12 billion tons of imported coal per annum. The plant features supercritical boiler technology. Doosan Heavy Industries and Constructions was the EPC contractor for this project. The 5 boilers for the plant were also supplied by Doosan. Toshiba supplied the steam turbine generators. Sasan Ultra Mega Power Plant. The Sasan Ultra Mega Power Plant located in the Sasan village of the Singrauli district, Madhya Pradesh, has an installed capacity of 3960 megawatts, owned and operated by Reliance Power. It is one of India's biggest power plants integrated with a coal mine. The coal-fired power plant includes 660 megawatts units and was fully commissioned in April 2015. It utilizes coal from the Mohar and Mohar Almori coal mines and raws water from Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar Reservoir for its operations. It supplies reliable and low-cost power to approximately 420 million people across 7 states. Shanghai Electric Corporation supplied the boilers, turbines and generators for this plant. Tiroda Thermal Power Plant. The Tiroda Thermal Power Plant is a 3,300 megawatt coal-based power generation plant in Maharashtra, India, owned and operated by Adani Power Maharashtra. The power plant consists of 5 660 megawatts units. The first unit of the power plant was commissioned in August 2012, while the last unit commenced operations in October 2014. The power plant uses state-of-the-art supercritical technology and draws water from the Wainganga River for its operations. The power plant covers an area of 454.86 hectares and is required with advanced pollution control equipment, including a 275 meters high chimney, a dust extraction and suppression system, and low nitrous oxide burners. Sixth one, Talcher Super Thermal Power Station. The Talcher Super Thermal Power Station or NTPC Talcher Koniha, located in the Angul district of Odisha, is a 3000 megawatts coal-fired power plant owned and operated by NTPC. NTPC Talcher Koniha plant consists of 6 500 megawatt units. The first unit of the plant was commissioned in February 1995 and the last unit began operation in February 2005. The coal used by the Talcher Super Thermal Power Station is sourced from the Lingaraj block of Talcher coal field. The plant uses water from the Samal Barrage Reservoir on the Brahmani River in Odisha. Seventh one, Rihand Thermal Power Station. Rihand Thermal Power Station is located at Rihandnagar, Sonabhadra district, Uttar Pradesh, owned and operated by NTPC. The coal-fired power plant has an installed capacity of 3000 megawatts. The plant consists of 6 units generating 500 megawatts each. The first unit was commissioned in March 1988, while the 6th unit was commissioned in October 2013. Coal for the Rihand Thermal Power Station is sourced from Amlori Amloric expansion and the Dudicha mines in Madhya Pradesh. Water is sourced from the Rihand reservoir built on Sun River. The plant supplies electricity to various states in the northern part of India, including Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, and Chandigarh. Eighth one, Sipat Thermal Power Plant. The 2,980 megawatts Sipat Super Thermal Power Plant in Sipat, Bilaspur district, Chandigarh, ranks as the eighth largest thermal power station in India. It is a coal-based power plant owned and operated by NTPC. The power plant, built in two stages, is installed with 6 generating units, 3 660 megawatts supercritical units, and 3 500 megawatts units. The first unit of the thermal plant commenced commercial operations in August 2008, while the last unit was commissioned in June 2012. Built with an estimated cost of more than $2 billion, the power plant was renamed as Rajiv Gandhi Super Thermal Power Station in September 2013. Coal for the Sipat plant is sourced from Deepika Mines of Southeastern Coalfields Limited. The plant uses water from the right bank canal originating from the Hasdev barrage. Ninth one, Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Station. The Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Station is a 2,920 megawatts power plant in Chandrapur, Maharashtra, India. It is the biggest power plant operated by the Maharashtra State Power Generation Company. The plant is equipped with 5 500 megawatt units and 2 210 megawatts. The first unit was commissioned in 1985, while the last commenced operations in 2016. The power plant draws water from the Erai and Chogan dams for its operation and meets 25% of the electricity needs of Maharashtra. 10th one, NTPC Dadri. NTPC Dadri are National Capital Power Station owned and operated by NTPC. Is located in the Gautam Buddha Nagar district of Uttar Pradesh, about 48 kilometers from the Indian capital New Delhi. The power station, with an installed capacity of 2,637 megawatts, 820 megawatts coal based and 817 megawatt gas based. The power station consists of 6 coal fired units, 4 210 megawatts units and 2 490 megawatt units, and 6 gas based generating units, 4 130.19 megawatt gas turbines and 154 megawatts steam turbines. The first coal fired unit was commissioned in October 1991 and the last unit was commissioned in July 2010. The gas-based generating units were commissioned between 1992 and 1997. The coal for NTPC Dadri is sourced from pipe for mines, Jharkhand. The gas is sourced from GAIL, Hazira, Bijapur, Jagdishpur pipeline. The water source for the thermal power station is the Upper Ganga Canal. If you like the videos, please share with your relatives and friends. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.